Follow San Diego's Talk Radio 760 now for Love Real Estate Radio. Hosted by Sandra Love, it's 1 hour of up-to-date real estate info for home buyers. Get the facts for a better life and love real estate on 760 KFMB.
Hello and welcome to Love Real Estate on 760 KFMB. I am your host, Sandra Love, and we're here every Saturday from 2 to 3, helping you guys make better decisions for a better life with help from our experts. Now, if you guys have any real estate questions, maybe you're considering a bankruptcy, a loan modification, or you need to do a short sale, or maybe you're just thinking about purchasing a new home and you need answers. Well, give us a call. You can always reach me at 888-571-9595. That is 888-571-9595. And I hope that you guys are having a wonderful Saturday. I know that I am. I'm so excited to share with you guys that we're going to be having another first-time homebuyer seminar. So many of you guys have already called and signed up. I cannot believe it. I'm so happy for you guys. Our first-time home seminar is going to be May 22nd, 6 p.m. in Mission Valley, directly across from the Marriott. You don't want to miss this great opportunity. No obligation, completely free event. We're going to have all the experts under one roof to answer all of your questions about purchasing again, or maybe for the first time. So call us right now. Sign up, 888-571-9595, 888-571-9595. More on that later. But first, let me just go ahead and tell you guys that I'm so happy. Deja Correa with San Diego Funding is back in studio.
I am. Hello. How are you? How have you been?
Really good. I've missed you. I mean, we had Todd, and he came in and spoke about mortgage matters and all that good stuff. But, I'm like, I want Deja. So
there's a hole in my Saturday. I just get to listen from the outside. So I'm glad to be back. Thank you.
I know. And well, you and I, we talked all week and you're in the same office. You're in Point Loma and you're also in the La Mesa Sotheby's office, which I love because when we get all these calls, everybody can just, I can direct you right into the same office, you guys. She's there right next to me. So that's fabulous.
Right.
And so we had actually, someone did call me and say, Sandra, I really want to ask you, and I want to ask Deja, is it really true for VA buyers, no closing costs, no money down? And I said, absolutely. So Deja, can you tell us a little bit more about that? Because I know if you're just a first-time listener, thank you for joining us. But tell us, about VA, because that's so important. We have such a huge military family. San Diego is military.
Yeah, absolutely. And we have one of the highest military concentrations in the U.S. here in San Diego County. And as I've told you several times, over 50% of the loans that I actually did last year were for VA buyers. You can go into a VA loan up to $500,000 in San Diego County. That's your loan amount for no money down and no closing costs. It's a fabulous product. And right now, actually, recently, this last week, I had an agent call me and they had a a military family contact them to try to find a rental in the Chula Vista area. And she had the foresight to say to these clients, hey, what about a VA loan? You could probably buy right now. It's one of the first times in a long time. It's less expensive in San Diego County to buy than it is to rent. She put me in touch with these buyers and we're now working together on their loan.
I know it's amazing when you think about it, you guys. You owe it to yourself to call us and get in touch with Deja, because the rent right now in San Diego, if you think about it, wow, Deja, can I go into a home for less than I'm paying it for rent? Possibly, right?
Absolutely. And not only that, I mean, if you're renting, you're paying a mortgage. You're just not paying your own.
I know. We don't want that for you guys. I always tell you guys, and I honestly do mean it. We started off the year saying, you know what, let's not just survive in 2013, but let's thrive in 2013. So I think that, helping you guys make better decisions for a better life, I mean it. I want you guys to get into a home. We have first-time home buyer workshops, and even for you guys who have maybe done a short sale. Deja, my good friend Carol, I mentioned to you guys last week, she said, Sandra, I'm thinking about buying. I don't know if I'll be able to qualify. I had a short sale. And I said, well, Carol, when was your short sale? It was in 2008, Deja. So, I mean,
credit and short sale and bankruptcy and these things, these are temporary issues, typically, depending on how you handle your finances following these circumstances. And, I tell buyers this, it's the single it causes the most reluctance on the part of the buyer is dealing with anything in their credit history. And I tell them that it's temporary. Let's look at it. Let's work on it. Let's see where you're at. Let's get you ready. And you will be buying sometime in the future. And going back to VA loans, being some of the least restrictive with regard to short sales, you could be in there as little as 1 to 2 years following a short sale.
And you know what? I think that's fabulous. Another thing that I really want you guys to know is that because San Diego Funding, you guys do all of your underwriting.
We do.
The entire loan stays in-house. Sometimes you might be faced with, well, Sandra, I got denied for a loan, for a VA loan, and I just don't understand why I keep getting denied. That was one of my calls. That was
right.
So I said, you know what? I want you to talk to Deja, and Deja can go ahead and sit down with you. Deja, what happened?
We had a VA buyer that had called the radio show last weekend, and I gave him a call back. As I wasn't here last weekend, and we discussed his circumstances, and it turned out when you spoke with him that he had been denied a loan through a large banking institution that touts they specialize in VA loans. And I was able to take a look at it. There's a difference between lender to lender and what we do, just like any other profession. And I was able to take a look at this borrower situation, and we're now working together to get him back into a property.
So not only can you help, VA buyers who possibly have been denied or think, why am I getting, not approved?
Right.
You can also help homeowners who are out there thinking, you know what, Sandra, I'm paying rent and the rates are incredibly low. Why not get into a home, right?
Right. And if you have questions, I mean, not just VA, if you have questions or you've been denied a loan or you've been denied a refinance and you're clear, or maybe even you're not so clear as to why, get in touch with me. I'm happy to review that. You'll find that, as I said earlier, each one of us is a little bit different in what we do. Guidelines are guidelines, but underwriting is a much more gray topic than that. And I'm happy to take a look at it.
Absolutely. Let's go ahead and give them the phone number once again, 888-571-9595. 888-571-9595. You guys need to write this number down so I can put you in touch with Deja. Deja will sit down with you, completely free. One of the things that we discussed last week, Deja, was sometimes when we don't really know what to ask. Well, is this free? Do I sit down with you? Do you charge? And I get that question all the time. Sandra, how much would you charge to do a short sale for me? Absolutely nothing. How much would you charge to help me look for a home? Absolutely nothing. So I really want to tell you guys, it's completely free to sit down with Deja. This is a great opportunity. She's incredibly knowledgeable. I call her my VA guru extraordinaire.
I love it. I'll put that on my business cards.
You've helped me on many occasions with my VA buyers who, when we first met, you said, Sandra, I can close a VA loan in 21 days. I said, no way, get out of here. She said 21 days. And I was just like fascinated. And I'm like, okay, let me see. I'm going to put her to the test here. And you guys, she closed it in 21 days. It was amazing and so accessible. And, Robert, if you're listening, I know that he's thrilled and excited to be able to go into a home with a VA loan and no money down, no closing cost. And, some of the things that happen, Deja, that you and I have talked about in the past is also all these invitations that you get to visit these homes, because it's exciting. It's your first home, okay? And you're thinking, oh my gosh, decorating, which by the way, you guys, we do have an interior decorator. We will be talking to her later. And it's an exciting process. It is overwhelming, but at the end of the day, you're so happy and you're writing out your first mortgage check and you're thinking, I don't have to make it to my
landlord.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It's now to my mortgage company, which I love it. It's amazing. Plus, you also get those, tax write-offs, which is another fabulous thing. And it couldn't get any better. So you guys remember, we're having that workshop. Remember, it's also for those of you guys who have had a short sale or a bankruptcy. Well, first-time home buyer, you're thinking, you know what about investment properties? Will you be talking about investment properties, Deja, on that seminar?
Absolutely. That is a huge topic right now, as I just touched on earlier, with housing prices and interest rates, even for investment properties being, in the high 3s, low 4s. This is a tremendous time to get into that, especially when rents are coming in a little bit higher than mortgages.
Yes.
What a great cash flow.
Yep. Okay, now what about refinancing? Because I know that we've talked about HARP in the past and HARP 2. Can you tell us what the acronym for HARP is?
HARP stands for Home Affordable Refinance Program.
Perfect.
And HARP is scheduled to expire at the end of this year, 2013.
So we need to get you guys to come in and visit Deja. And now the HEART program was designed for people who were upside down, who need to refinance?
Not necessarily upside down, but you can be upside down.
Okay.
The HEART program was designed for people that weren't able to refinance under a regular, traditional, conventional refinance program, typically because it does require that the loan to value of your property be over 80%. So you don't have to necessarily be underwater, but you don't have the 20% equity that a regular refinance would take. As long as you're current in your mortgage payments, those people that are struggling, they've got higher interest rates and they would benefit from a lower interest rate mortgage, but they are current on their payments. These are perfect candidates for the HEART program.
And you know what, you guys? Deja is going to be at the event. She's going to talk about this and so much more. Remember, it's May 22nd. 6 o'clock, directly across from the Marriott. You can always go to my website. Go to loverealestateradio.com. I have a sign in there. You guys can go directly and sign in. You can listen to the podcast. But most importantly, if you can't get to your computer, give me a call. Pick up your phone right now and call 888-571-9595. I don't want them to miss out on this great opportunity.
Oh, no,
Deja.
I mean, bring your questions. I'm happy. I know the last one that we held, I actually sat down and was able to sit down with a lot of the people there that had questions about refinances, bankruptcies, first-time home purchases. It's a wonderful time to just come and get a lot of information from a lot of professionals. And then if you want to sit down or you want to schedule an appointment to come in at another time, I'm happy to do that.
And also, you said something to me this week. You said, Sandra, I got a call from one of the attendees who came from last time. He said, You know what? Can you share that with us?
Yeah, actually, she gave us a call and she was there. When was that? Was that about two months ago or so?
Yeah, at least 3.
3 months ago. Oh, time flies. She had given us a call. She came in, she got some information. She kind of thought about it and came back to us, and we're working on her refinance.
Fabulous. We want you guys to, stay tuned. We'll be right back. More to talk on Love Real Estate.
Love Real Estate on 760 KFNB.